Both are loops only. What is the difference between while loop and for loop? When we are going to use for loop, when we are going to use while loop. Here, why I am using while loop? Anyone? Anyone? No one don't know? Please respond. If you not respond, how can I understand if it is no or if you don't know?
Sir, we usually use for loop when we know the exact number of iterations, sir.
Very
We
good.
use while loop when we don't know.
Very good. Very good. When you are using for loop, is we know how many iterations we are going to execute, and while loop, when we don't know how many rows or how many iterations it is going to execute, at that time we are using while loop. For that purpose, here also I am taking while loop is we don't know how many times it has to count. That means here I will go to my MySQL database. Inside MySQL, my database is name book. Inside the name book, table is select star from user. Here the 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 rows available that you know. Next time how many rows? Maybe 5. Next time 6. Next time maybe tomorrow 1 lakh. We don't know. Yes or no? For that purpose, it has to check all the rows. For that purpose, I am taking while loop. And here, what is the use of next method? It has to start with the next row. Initially, the starting row contains the headings, not the data. Initially, heading starting line contains headings. That means column names, not about data. So for that purpose, we need to use next. That means it will start from first row, not 0th row, and it will get all the data. So for that purpose, we're giving rs dot next. We need to get the count of username now. So just I initialize one variable, that is int count. Here the total data was available in rs. Rs dot get int. We need to get the count of that username. How many times that username was repeated, I need to know. Suppose that username is available, count equal to 0 means okay. Here we are getting the count of, here 1 means in a where condition you are mentioned u name. So that's why directly you can mention the 1 means it will get the how many times username was available. Suppose if username was not available, at the time what we need to do? We need to store data into database. At that time we need to use this one.
Sir, your screen is not shared, sir.
My screen was shared. You are unable to see? Right now you can check.
Yes, sir.
Here my intention is
It's loading, sir.
from your side maybe.
And your voice is breaking.
Right now I think it's clear. Still it is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Here my side is everything is good.
everybody are feeling the same, sir. Your voice is not clear.
You can observe right now. Here my intention is I don't want to repeat the username. Then it's clear.
This is better. Yes, sir. This is better, sir.
I will go a little bit slow. My intention is I don't want to repeat username. For that purpose, I'm going to count how many times username was exist. So I don't know how many times it's available. That's why I'm taking while condition. The total result was available in RS. So RS dot next from 0th row we are not having any data. For that purpose, next row onwards we need to check and we are going to get the count. If the count is equal to 0 means the name was username was not available, so we can able to store data. Then we're done. For this if inside we written if, for this if we written else, and for this if we need to write down after if we need to write down the else. What we need to write? Username already exist. Yes or no? Username. Here I will show you one more type of message, not this one. You can observe carefully. You know JavaScript. We are seeing JavaScript now. By using the script, script means a static code. Static code we need to write in between. We need to close scriptlet, and in between the scriptlet tag we need to write script type equal to text star JavaScript. This is another type of message, just for message purpose. Inside the script window dot, we need to get the alert in a window. Username already exist. Try new one. Fine. And after completion of the message, where it has to go? For that purpose, window dot location equal to register dot HTML. Fine. Then the same message you can able to write for here also. Then we will see. We need to run the new project, run as, run on server. When it will show the alert? When the username was already exist. Registration. I think Venkat is already exist. So Venkat is already exist, and I am trying to give again. MySQL syntax register DB
Sir, the scriptlet tag I think is wrong, sir. There, the
Scriptlet.
code that you've written right just now,
Scriptlet.
opening and closing,
S.
opening S, sir.
Here I am closed.
Yeah,
Here opened. This only closed brace is dynamic code. Fine. Then it will shows the red mark, na? It will shows left side red mark. If
yes,
you're
sir.
not
But opening and closing have to be different, no, sir. I mean, angular bracket, percentage, and then you write the script.
here I am
Then
closed
you close
here.
it.
Here I am opened. Here I am closed. It is in syntax. It is showing error. Just now written a select count of star from user, single quote, double quote, plus here single quote, double quote. I am having mistake. We'll see that one. Fine. In query only we are having mistake. Count of you name anyone you can take, no problem. Star or you name.
Sir, I think you missed one closing bracket after you name there.
Here,
Yeah, there one more closing bracket should come now, sir.
wait, I'll check. Double quotes here. At last, here double quotes. Fine, I think so. I'll check. Don't worry. It will-
Sir,
Yes.
select count of stars from username where, sir?
Yes, yes, very good. Where? Very good. When I think so. When I only. When I you only said.
Narendranath, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. You can observe. Unknown column uname. But here we are taken column name is username. You can observe carefully. When you got this error, here this is database column name. This value is when you call the value from here, this one. So right now where I need to change? Left side or right side? This is database column name. Here what is the message it is saying? Unknown column. Here I am giving column name is wrong. Username. Then it's a good. Username already exists. Try new one. Then it will show us message in a dialog box. In a new window. So like that we need to write. Fine. Everyone clear registration? If you are having any doubt, then we will explain it again. If it is clear, then we will go to login. Nobody is giving response. Whether you should understood or not.
Clear, sir.
Then we'll go for login.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In a login, we are given a link is login.html. But in a home page, we are created that one. Na? So we'll go to back. When you click on home page, here we are having login. So index.html we need to open. It is in a web content. Index.html we need to open. Inside this one. And here a login check.html. HTML page unable to write the dynamic code. Na? So I'm trying to change it to JSP. And here we are not yet given the name for the fields. Not yet given the name for the fields. Name equal to uname or username, your wish. Anything you can take. Same as for password. Name equal to, in a shortcut I am taking pwd. Then save. Here I'm after saving just refresh, and we're not yet written JavaScript. That's why it's going to next page. So simple JavaScript is you can write a required. Required. That's all. Then we'll check. Then fill. Very good. And as well as for password also. Required. Then we'll go for the page and we will do. Okay. So here I want to enter my name and password. Fine. Okay. Here it is. What is the message? The requested resource was not available. So what we need to do, Narendranath? We need to create one page. Yes or no? New page means here file. What is that file name? Here check what is the file name. Here which page was not available?
Login check.
We need to create that one. Check dot JSP. Then I'm going to create that page. Login check dot JSP. Here, what is the first page of database connection program? We need to import the package. Which package we need to import, Vinay, for creating database connection? Which page? In a database connection program, which package we need to import? SQL package na. So he just now I am imported SQL package. Next one, I'm going to take scriptlet tag. Inside the scriptlet tag,
Sir, even before add page, sir, percentage.
SS. Okay. Here what we need to take, those two values we need to retrieve. String uname by using a request object, request dot get parameter of, what is that? Uname. And next string pwd request dot parameter of PWD. Okay. After writing this one, we need database connection na? Yes. We need a database connection. Sushma, always database connection should be in which block?
Try block, sir.
Very good. So in try block, one you need to remember, try block at least we need one catch. Any exception it will rise. It will display here. Out is implicit object. Println of whatever the exception we are raising, it will display. What is the first step in database connection, Swarnamalya? What is the first step in database connection? How many steps?
Registering and
Very good.
there are 5 steps totally. The
Very
first step is register and loading the driver. So we use class.forName.
Very good. Class dot for name. What is the MySQL fourth driver name? Com dot
com.mysql.jdbc.driver.
driver. Very good. Driver. And second step, Preeti. What is the second step in database connection?
Creating object for connection interface.
Very good. Connection interface. Connection con equal to. Which method you are using?
Get connection.
Very good. That get connection available in which class?
Driver manager.
Very good. Driver manager dot get connection of. Here, what is the URL? Yesterday we written URL. Observe. This yesterday program you can see, you can easily identify. By using JDBC, we are connecting to MySQL. MySQL is available in which PC? Our PC only. So that's why we need to write local host. Suppose it is in a remote. We need to write the IP address of that PC. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Local host colon. What is the port number of MySQL? 3306. What is the port number of Oracle? We are having 2 port numbers for Oracle. That is a specialty of Oracle. 1521 is writing a program to database connection. If you want to connect to database using program, we are using 1521. And another port number is 8080. Another port number is 8080 is used to open in a browser. Browser you need to open, we are using 8080. What is our database name?
Namebook.
Namebook, very good. What is the default username of MySQL?
Root.
Very good. What is the default password? No default password. We need to provide at installation. What we are provided? The same root. Very good. And the next, what is the third step? Anyone? Vishnu? What is the third step in database connection?
Sir, creating the statement, sir.
Very good. If you want to create the statement, what we need to do?
We need to create an object for statement
Very good. How to create?
using the con object.
Very good. Connection object reference variable. Very good.
Yes, sir.
What is the method you are using? for
Create statement.
Very good. Create statement. Then third step completed. Fourth step, next one. I don't know all the names. Neha.
Sir, create object for result set interface.
Very good. Next step is you need to execute the query. For execute query, we need to create object for result set interface. Result set rs equal to, by using statement object reference variable execute query. Here, what are the query? What is the query? Next, Neha. Here, our intention is to log in. Yes or no? For login,
Yes.
we need to check whether username and password is correct or not. Entered username password is correct or not. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
for that purpose, we need to use the select query only, na?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Select star from which table? User table, where username equal to, we need to check first username. Username here we are saved as a uname, and here we need to use and or r.
And sir.
And suppose you are used r means if anyone is correct, you can able to log in. Either username correct or password correct, anyone, no problem, you can able to log in. But here and means both are true only, you can able to log in. It's true. And next one, pwd or password you are taken. Here password, column
Password.
name. So you need to write the column name. Password equal to, here you are taken as a shortcut pwd. Okay. Next, we need to check while of rs dot next. In which column it is available, we don't know, na? Inside, if both are true, we need to go to which page? Still we are not yet created. We need to go to user home page. Yes or no? User home page we need to go. So for that purpose, here login successful, I want to show the alert message. For that purpose, I want to write the script, JavaScript. Window dot alert login successfully. After that, where we need to go? Home page, na? Equal to user home. We're not yet created, we'll create later. Fine. User home dot JSP. If what it was not yet correct, at that time we need to do show the alert login fail, na? So here I want to show that one. Login fail. At that time, it has to go index only, we are login, na? It has to go to that page. Everything correct? Okay, we'll check. Just reload. Login successfully. Then user home page was available. We'll give the wrong details also. Venkat, I'm given something. Login fail. It has to in a index.html page only. So here I want to create a home page, na? User home page. It was successfully logged. It has to go to user home page. Good. that home page user home was not available. So I want to create a user home. Copy. I want to create one new page here. New file. Which page? User home.jsp. Finish. Here I want to write HTML code parallelly. I need total index.html code. I don't want to write it again, but I don't want the registration form. S. Instead of this one, I need some links. Home page means user home page. User home.jsp. After that, view profile. Search friend. Next, view friend request. Next, logout. I want these links. View profile. View profile.jsp. Next, search friend. Next, view friend request.jsp. After logout, it has to go to index.html. This is my intention. You can observe it was go to that page or not. Yes, home page. When I click on home page, user home and view profile. Next, search friend, view friend request, logout. I'm created like this. So instead of login here, who was logged in? I want that person name. Suppose you can observe in Facebook, we are getting a message. Welcome ABC. Welcome Vinay. We are getting message like that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I want message like that. So for that purpose, we need to keep the username in session. Where we are getting the name? In a login check. Here we need to keep a username in session. Suppose you want not only username, I need more also. So you can also get more values, no problem. Session dot set attribute of here you name, comma you name. Then whenever you set the attribute, we need to get the attribute from to the next page. Here I need to get that attribute. That is a dynamic code. I need to keep in string you name equal to session dot get attribute of you name. When you set the attribute, we need to get the attribute. And here it is a attribute means how we know it is a integer or it is a some other. So for converting, I'm how to convert any data into string. Just we need to add a string or we need to add dot to string. Then only it can able to convert into string. So here I want to display welcome. Which person was logged in? You name. Then it will display value here. So right now it's unable to display. Why? Because we are not yet set the up to now. So null it is showing. So once log out, then log in, we can able to see. Login successful. And who was logged in? Venkat. Suppose some ABC was logged in. You can observe. Okay. Then ABC was displayed. Fine. Everyone understood up to this part, registration on login and how to keep the value in session, and we need to display the name. Fine. Up to this
Yes,
part,
sir.
anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. I will clarify and we'll go to next things. Remaining members, fine?
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine, good, good. Next, view profile. Here we need to perform card operations. Up to we perform only 2 operations, I think so. Yes. Update, that means storing data and retrieving data only were done. We are not yet done update. We not yet done delete. So we will do those 2 also. So view profile. Our profile we need to see by ourselves. So for that purpose, view profile. You can observe that page was available. No, I need to create that page. View profile. New file. Here I want to create the view profile.jsp. So here, same as a home page, but we need to get our profile details. That means here only we can able to see our name, but we need remaining data also. At the time, here I want get heading. Fine. We need to get the remaining details. How we need to get the remaining details? We want to get the remaining details. If you want to get the remaining details, what we need to do? We need to connect to database, and based on our primary key, we need to get the data. So we need to import the package. Which package? Java.sql.star. So next we need to write database connection try. Inside the try, what we need to write? Those steps. What are the five steps? Class dot for name of com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. Next, connection on equal to driver manager dot get connection of what is the URL? jdbc colon mysql colon / localhost colon 3306 name book. Our database name is name book. And what is the username password? Root, comma, root. Then the next step is statement. St equal to, by using connection object reference variable, create statement. And we need to get the data means result. Set rs equal to st dot execute query of. What is the query we need to write here? Here our view profile means when you retrieve the data only we can able to view. Yes or no? When you able to retrieve the data, then only we can able to view. So what is the query? Select star from user. Suppose just you written select star from user, you will get all the person's details. But here we don't want all the person details. We need only which person? Which person details? Exactly who was logged in, that person. So that person name was available in session. So based on that session, we will get that person name only. Use column name, user name. So fine. Here next we need to use how many columns available we don't know. So for that purpose, while off, before that one, we need the data in a table. So I want to create one table. Inside the table, I want to take one tr. Inside the tr, I want headings, or before that one also no problem, we can get the values. File of rs dot next of. What are the values we need here? String f name equal to rs dot get string of 1, first value. Like that we need 5 values. 2, 3, 4. Fifth value already available now. So 2, 3, 4. Those values we need to get. F name, L name, email, mobile. So we need to get those values. After getting those values, we need to display those values. Before display, while loop we need to close here. First one, we need to take td, first name, close td. Inside the td, we need to get the value. How we need to get the value is input. Suppose here I want to edit, then you can use. First, before editing, I will show you. Directly you want to display the value. F name That's all. Then we'll see the first value. Later we'll get all the values. Try you are having means catch off exception E. Out dot println off. Everybody following? Any doubt you are having, you can raise. Then we'll go slow. Nothing is there here. Not anything new I am writing. Places will change. Driver manager I am giving. I think nobody is observing. Hi everyone. I'm getting error also. Nobody is observing. What happened? Please respond. First name ABC you are getting. Like that, we need to get remaining all also. View profile. Last name, email, mobile, username. Last name, assigned to L name, email ID, email, mobile number. Here we assign to mobile, username, so uname. Yes, we are getting everything. Then I want to change somewhat look and feel. Border I am taking some 2 pixel. Then we'll get this. Suppose here you want to edit those details, you can edit, and you can search a friend, and you can send a friend request, and who has sent the request to you, you can able to check. Like that also you can able to see. Up to that, anybody having any doubt?
No, sir.
Fine. Then we'll go for search friend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I'll go to search friend. Search friend. So here search friend page was not available. So I need to create a one new page for search friend. Copy. page name, here new file, then create one file name is searchfriend.jsp. Searchfriend.jsp. So how home page is, you can same like that we want, but the small thing is we need to create one table here for searching a friend. We need form name equal to search, form name equal to search. When I click on submit, where it has to go, search friend db.jsp. Inside the form we need to create one table. We create a table na. Inside we need to create one row, that is we need to enter the our friend name, then only we can able to search. So inside the td, inside the td enter friend name to search. Then here next we need to create one text field. Inside that one, input type equal to, which one we need to enter? Text. And we need to mention the name. Here we are searching a friend name, so that's why I'm taking a fry name. Or you can take easy to understand friend name. Friend name. Friend name. So parallelly you can write required and close td. Then we will check after saving. Just refresh. Enter friend name to search. Then we'll keep it in a center. Table. And we need one button na. tr td. Inside td input type equal to submit. Submit means value. You can write any value. Here which purpose? Search friend. Then we'll check. Search friend. Then we need to enter the friend name. Then only we can able to search. Otherwise, we are unable to search. So we need to write enter friend name. Suppose here I am entering friend name is Sudhir. Then click on search. Then search DB page was available. No, and parallelly we need to write a method equal to post. Method equal to post. Then you can check. Then this page was not available. So here we need to create that page name. Here how to create a new page? Go to web content, right click, new file. Which file I want? Search friend DB. So we need to connect to database and we need to get the data. So how? Same as user homepage. Same as user homepage. So then here we need to take your search friend result. Here results we need to show here. Save and check. So here we need to get the welcome ABC, your search friend results we need to display here. How we need to display means we need to connect to database, whether entered a friend name was available or not. Are you getting any disturbance? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Getting disturbance here, one vehicle is stopped. Otherwise, we'll stop for 5 to 10 minutes. No problem. We'll take more time. Okay?
So your voice is breaking, sir.
That's why. For 10 minutes, we'll take break. 36, 46, we'll start. Don't close. I'll keep it in a mute. Fine?